Scamming Part 1.
Stop.
Three, two, one, go. Trading this legendary puppet. Going once.
Oh my gosh! I've always wanted that.
Okay, what do you have to
I've
offer?
always wanted this.
You look a little bit poor, so you better offer good.
This.
Add.
But this is legendary.
Oh my gosh, I already had that before and I traded it and I skimmed someone. Add!
These Orbeez thingies that you can play.
Add before I decline.
This pea pod.
Add.
This homemade marble mash.
Add. Hurry up.
This simple dimple.
Add or I'm gonna decline.
I'll add. Oh.
Add or I'm gonna decline.
Oh my gosh. This thingy.
Add.
This fidget cube.
Add.
My nedo.
Add.
My color changing nedo.
Add or I'm gonna decline.
My Woobles thing, whatever it's called.
Add.
My homemade delicious ball.
Add.
Ryan's toy review.
Add.
This.
Add. Hurry up, I'm gonna be late for my eyelash appointment.
This really nice fidget spinner.
Add.
Fine. I'll add these and this.
Add.
This.
Add! Hurry up!
I'll add all of these crispy pets.
Add.
Fidget pad.
Add.
Oh my gosh. This.
Add!
This squishy.
Dude, add. I'm about to be late.
This.
Add. What the heck is that?
Oh. I guess that I will add these magnetic things.
Oh my gosh. Dude, that looks like it has a big butt.
Oh, dude. I'll add a Rubik's Cube.
Add. Dude, I'm about to be late.
This.
Add.
Dude, I'll add all of my poppets.
Get scammed.
Hey, I have two more. I have much more. At least I get to keep these. At least I get to keep these.
Now try hitting the target.
No, I'm filming a YouTube video now. I'm filming a
Again.
YouTube video now. At least I still have my 3 monkey. At least I still have my 3.
Okay, guys.
And all of my
Bye.
mochis.
Thank you for watching our.
Stay tuned to our next one when I
Stay
scam her.
tuned. Peace.
When I scam her.
Ready, set.